Dragonlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rob Topia Bank. Okay, so here's the first step. 1. You're going to need to get inside Topia Bank. So, for now, we're just going to have to go through the front. I don't like how the doors are open. We can't close them either. So, you want to pretend like you're just, being regular, okay? Now, I dressed for the part, so I'm all good. We shouldn't really be robbing at daytime, but you're going to need to get yourself a bomb. So, open tools, scroll down a little bit, and get the bomb. Now, personally, I like to be a little extra. And I like to get a little gun too. So you can do that if you want. But also get an umbrella if you want. We're just being extra here. And get a gun. Alright. Now we're going to take out the security guards. Now that we're done with that, we've got a bomb. So to open the vault, you press anywhere on the screen to place down a bomb. And then you press the remote and it blows it up. Let's do it again. Alright, let's go inside. Okay, now try not to touch these lasers. So you can move your screen around. Oops. And I touched the laser. Okay, bomb it up again like the first time. And then you can get in. Excuse me. Now, click on the money, and you've successfully robbed the bank. Yes, we've robbed the bank. It's not as exciting as I thought it would be. But now we're gonna need a getaway driver. That's okay. So, if you happen to ever be in a police chase, let's say we're being chased by the police. And somehow you've been forced onto, let's say, a really bad situation, right? Here's how you disappear with the money. So, you want to get up here. Just find a way to get up here. Okay, so once you're up here, here's how you get away. Just get on the end, and then you get sent straight off away to the beach. How cool is that? And they'll never know. Right? They'll never know. And here's how another thing that I like. Just in case if they followed you on the secret pathway, they'll never get you. So get your umbrella and jump. You are now Mary Poppins. Let's try and make it over to that Ferris wheel. But yeah, this is how you can also get away. Yes, when you jump, your umbrella goes with you. So yeah, if you like this video and want to see more gaming videos like this, then you may subscribe if you want to. And yeah,